Yazid bin Hurmuz states that Najada bin Amir Harori, Khariji, wrote a letter to Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu and asked him about apportioning booty to a slave and a woman if they participate in a war, about killing the children, about the expiry of orphanhood of an orphan, and asked who were Dhawil Qurba. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said to Yazid, "Write the reply to him," and I would never have written him the reply if he were not likely to fall in folly. Write him that you have asked me whether a woman and a slave will get a share in spoils if they participate in a war. The answer is there is no share for them in spoils. However, they can be granted a prize. You have asked me about killing, not children. Undoubtedly, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not kill the children. So you must not kill the children until you have a knowledge about a child, as Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam had about that child whom he killed. And you have asked me when the orphanhood of an orphan expires. A person will be called an orphan until he attains maturity and acquires the power of reason. And you have asked who the Dhawil Qurba are. Our opinion is that we are the Dhawil Qurba, but our people have negated it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4663.